Objective 2. Identify and explain stratified sampling. To perform a stratified sampling, a population is divided into subgroups called strata, singular form is called stratum, and simple random sampling is performed on each stratum. In each stratum, the individuals share some characteristic. The ratios of the number of individuals selected from each stratum are equal to the corresponding ratios of the stratum sizes. So for example, in this figure, if this is the entire population, and out of that population we take out the males and the females, therefore this is considered the strata, which is depending upon gender. And then the sample would then be, okay, we're going to select 2 males out of that strata, and we're going to select 2 females out of that strata. Now, for example, the Dean of the Science, Engineering, and Math would like to take a survey of a sample of 30 students who are majoring in science, engineering, or math. The number of students majoring in each of these are shown below. If the Dean wants to perform stratified sampling, how many students for each major should be included in the survey? Well, first and foremost, we have the major, science, engineering, math in total. So we know that we have 256, 137, and 59 in each of those categories. Now, when we add those all up, we get a total of 452. Once we get the total, then we need to divide each number by the total number. So 256 divided by 452 gives us 0.57. 137 divided by 452 gives us 0.30. 59 divided by 452 gives us 0.13. So now that we have this particular number here, since we're surveying a sample of 30 students, we're going to take this number 0.57 and multiply it by the amount of 30 students. Well, 0.57 of 30 is equal to 17, which means 50% of 30 is going to give you 17 students that we're going to select from the science. We're going to take 0.30 of the 30 students, so 0.30, which is 30% of 30, is 9. So we're going to select 9 out of the engineering students. And then we're going to take 0.13, which is 13% of the 30 students, which is going to give us 4. So 4 out of the math selected.